So I asked Claude, I said, now you've got the MD&A, you got the submo detail, come up with a framework for forecast assumptions and build out a 3-year model that we can then maintain. So it basically went down, gave us some growth variables assumptions and also OPEX, balance sheet type metrics, and debt, what do you do with cash and all that good stuff. And then it built out a quarterly through fiscal 28 forecast and annual. So you got a full income statement, balance sheet, and then I said, give us a cash flow as well, which is great because if you're steering the ship, you want to be looking at longer term strategic initiatives while keeping an eye on what are you doing tactically. Again, it's being grounded in what's your source of truth and what's your existing book of business and contracts in force and what are they delivering that allows you to build something like this and have high confidence that you're actually steering the ship in the right direction. So the cool thing with this and Claude is you do that what if scenario. So if we said, what would be the impact of the business in 27 and 28 if there was a 10% improvement in subscription ARR retention? Let's see what it comes back with. So calculate all this. So this exercise probably took 3 or 4 minutes for the actual agent to run. So they're doing the math, but it's creating a side-by-side scenario where you had your base case, scenario 1, SN sales and marketing scales, and scenario 2, where you're holding it flat. But holding the key takeaway is holding the sales and marketing dollars flat roughly doubles the bottom line impact on the retention improvement. So pretty crazy stuff that allow you to model and do the what if scenario, which as you're looking at, does it have people here, what are we going to do to improve retention or what does it matter? You can see it has a material impact on the business. And I think this helps communicate across your entire company. So everyone understands the what may seem like a small impact, the individual actually multiplies. And as you get that magnification, you're looking at material positive impact to a business by understanding the metrics and what levers drive like profitability and success for your organization. So hopefully that helps as a end-to-end where you start with the submo as the building block to actually end up at being able to do a multi-year type scenario with Maxio and MCP and your AI agent of choice.